Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the best features of this Reolink 4K professional security camera. This is an NVR system and it has 8 dome cameras which are 8 megapixel dome cameras, and the product has quite a good features. I will be showing you the features first, and then I will be in my review giving you the some of the shortcomings or limitation or suggestion Reolink should improve on that one. So first of all, this is 4K Ultra HD system and it is a 8 channel PoE security system. So it means power over Ethernet cable. So you don't need to attach a separate power cable. And it comes with the 2 terabyte hard drive, and you can extend that to 16 terabyte hard drive if you need for further long recordings. So in the box you will find the following things. So this is the network video recorder, and then you will find 8 dome cameras which is 8 megapixel each, and then it has 18-meter network cables, 8 of them, and then it has waterproof lids, and then it has a USB mouse, and then some screws, and plus surveillance stickers you will find, and plus mounting templates, and plus a quick set guide, and 1 meter network cable because it doesn't have a Wi-Fi and you have to attach the LAN with this cable, and plus it has a HDMI cable, and then NVR power adapter. So this is pretty much inside the box. On the back of NVR you will find the following type of cable connections, as you can see that. So this is the 8 of the PoE cable connections, as you can see that, and this is the LAN for internet connection, and then this is for extra drive if you need to add SATA drive for external hard drive, and this is the VGA connection, and this is the HDMI connection, and this is a USB for your mouse, and this is the audio out, and plus this is the power connection, and this is the system on off switch. So this is pretty much on the back side of NVR recorder. So these are the feature of this system. It is 4K Ultra HD, and plus it is easy to install. You just simply plug and play, and then it has a spotlight, and it is color at night. So with the spotlight it is deterrent to the any intruders, and smart playback, you can easily see the clips, and plus it has a bigger feature is two-way audio, so you can hear as well as you can speak also through the camera, and it is 100 feet night vision, so that is the great feature, and plus it is a weatherproof cameras, and it can work indoor outdoor, so it will be quite good, and it has a AI smart detection, so that is also one of the great feature. Plus you don't need to pay anything for the cloud service. It has free 24/7 recording, and you don't need to pay any monthly fee. and you can see the system through the smartphone also, so you can see all your movement, camera movement through your smartphone. See, this is the another cool feature, 4K Ultra HD and plus smart AI detection. Like it can detect whether it is a person or a vehicle or a pet, anything. So it can detect that also and give you the notification accordingly. So, and plus it is active deterrent because it has a spotlight and there is a siren also. So it is active deterrent. There will be a spotlight on the intruder and the person can get scared and run away. So, and plus it is a color night vision, so that way you can see the difference. This is a black and white and this is the colored one, so it will be a good one for your night video. The smart AI feature is quite good and the latest one because it can give you the notification as per the identification. Like if it is a vehicle or a person or a pet, it can give you that information. And plus there is a no monthly fee. This is the biggest feature on this camera, because some of the camera system you have to pay monthly fee. So there is no such thing. And also great feature is the two-way audio. So you can communicate and you can do that. And spotlight and siren is also great feature, so it is quite a good system. Another feature on this camera is that as you can see the video, you can zoom in to see what is there. You can zoom in, to find out, and you can zoom out also. So that is one of the good feature of this camera also. Also, this camera has a alarm feature also. When it detects any motion, whether it is a car or any person or any pet, so it will trigger the alarm. So that way you can alert. I will showing you how good is the alarm. See, I am walking now and I will show you the alarm will trigger when it detects the movement. See, the alarm is on. See, one of the drawback is when you are putting the cameras to the wall, like if I have to take the side view of this house, so if I have to put up the camera like this, the camera is not giving a landscape photograph, it is giving a portrait videos, so which is a bit awkward. I will show you what does that mean. So this is my camera installed, as you can see that. So I have attached the camera to the wall and I will show you how good will be the video and what are the limitations. As you can see, this is my landscape mode video, and this is the portrait video. So when you are putting the camera side by side, so it is giving a different view. See this one, and if I go to the setting option, let me show you. So if I go to the setting option here for this camera, and if I see the display here, see there is a a watermark button and flip display. So you can flip the display. I can show you. So flip display will be like this. See, the display is flipped, but you can't turn the video. So if there is an option that you can rotate the video, that will be solving the problem, but there is no such option. So you can do the screen mirroring. So again, if you do that, it will be on the other way. So there is no such option. So I think this is the drawback. They should fix that, because people are putting the cameras on the side walls, not always hanging on the roof. So there should be some option where you can flip the images. So the Reolink did not include the wall mount bracket. They should put up at least, if they are putting 4 cameras in the package, they should have at least 4 wall mount, because many time people put up the cameras outside on the walls. So as you can see that this kind of wall mount is missing. So you need to buy that. I am checking it on Temu website. So this is the price 6.54 Australian dollar for one wall mount. So you need to buy that separately as per your requirement, so that way you can properly fix the camera on the wall. See, like this, it will be fixed up like this on the wall mount. So I'm not sure about the size. Before you order, you have to check the specimen, so what type of size it is, so they have mentioned the size here, so you can check and order accordingly. See, another drawback in the this camera system is this is the night mode, and whenever it detects the any person, anything, it has a spotlight. I will show you. So see, now the spotlight is on. There should be red and blue light flicker like the same in the Swan system, which like scare the any intruder. So it should be like that, but it is only a blue white light as a spotlight, as you can see that. So it gives you clear picture. Also, this camera although have a spotlight, but there should be something this kind of light, red and blue, because that is a bit of deterring. And because if anybody is, let's say, walking on the road, and if there is this kind of light flicker, people can get an idea that there is something wrong. But because of the spotlight, it looks like a normal white light, and anybody can think as a normal light. So that is the feature they should have. So it could have this kind of a red and blue light. So this is the one which is in the Swan system. Another drawback in this camera is, let's see, my front camera is covering the road also. See, the car is passing, it is covering the road also. So it will trigger the alarm otherwise. So there is no way I can mark the area. Like in Swan system, you can mark this area, like for example from there to there I can mark, so that if anybody is on my wooden deck or stairs, then only there will be alarm. So if anybody is passing on the road, or like any car is going, or on the other side anybody is walking on the pedestrian walk, so there should not be any trigger of the alarm. But there is no such feature, so you can't mark the area. So whereas in Swan system you can mark the area, so that is bit of drawback in this camera. See, this is the recording during the night time with this Reolink camera, and the one of the drawback or limitation, I would say, in this one, there is no heat sensor. So there is a motion sensor, but there is no heat sensor. So as I will show you the other system. So this is the Swan system, as you can see that. And if you see down, the one of the key feature, so this is the one heat sensor. So there is no heat sensing system in this security camera. So that is the biggest drawback. Another suggestion I will be giving you regarding this Reolink camera. Let me show you the camera first. So I am opening a new camera. See, this is the set of 2 in the box. So I will be showing you. See, this is the camera. This is Reolink dome camera, and So the small issue with this camera is the base. As you can see, this is the base, and you just turn and clip the camera. So if you are putting the camera at a height where everybody can access that, so anybody can easily steal the camera. So it is just not it is so easy, like it should be something other clips so that anybody could not steal it quickly. So in this one, anybody can just twist the camera, see the, you can easily steal that. So my camera is attached, so slightly twist and that's it. So that way anybody can steal the camera very quickly. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And tell me your opinion about this camera system, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.